Yes. Santiago Fires. Here goes the knees. Good for two.
Sila na tayo, di ba? Kapag.
Enriquez again.
Kapag.
Here goes stage number 18, Class Davis. Davis fires. Lopez gets the rebound. Out of bounds, 6 ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Here comes Katie. 10 seconds to shoot again.
Sinabi ka, Michael. Okay? Okay na?
Mano!
Papasok na si Kuta, CJ.
Dakis!
Kanina.
Good for
Tama ni
two.
Kanoe. Umigap sila. Yung ano na.
98 in favor. Barangay Meda. Here comes De La Cruz Mars. Here comes the race. Pastor Lopez. Good for two.
Kapag natin
Change favor. 10-4 in favor.
Yes na hapon.
Barangay Sabang.
Lalmin.
Santiago Jersey number 11. 14 seconds to shoot.
About sa Alvin na yan. Sabi na, gagawa.
20 seconds to shoot.
Gagawa sa bukid ko lang. Sa bukid ko lang. Ayaw naman ako.
Enriquez down to 5. Again. Out of bounds. Substitution. De La Cruz out. De La Cruz in. Here comes Christian 1. Lopez again. Bandit again. Here comes De La Cruz. 13 seconds to shoot. Santiago fires. Here comes Chris number 23, Manyo. Tumanyo.
Ganyan din kakapal. Ayun lang yan, matatag.
10 seconds to shoot. Okay, may ball tayo. Ball jersey number 13. First personal foul, first team foul, 13 seconds to shoot. Mano! Good for two. Change favor. Painting jersey number 13. Pass to Lopez. Lopez again. Here comes Manyo. Pass to Manyo. Again. At the wrong single. 14 seconds to shoot. Lalabas yun. Pinasa kalaban yung bola. Lopez! Good for two. 12-11. In favor of Barangay Sabang, Santiago. Santiago, good for two. 2 minutes exactly. Lopez na lead. Lopez! Good for two. One minute and 44 seconds. Here comes Manya Fires again. Out of bounds.
Mariel, susunod na laban dito. Team Bay, saka... Ano? Langla.
Kaya nakadami namin dito eh. Hinati pa ako muna niya. Ayan.
Ayun, tinapin ka. Sige po. Diba?
Kakasin
na.
Ayan o.
Wala, hindi ko makita ako load.
Parang Team Bay siya.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Team Bay,
18
saka
degrees number
Langla.
13, pass to Lopez. Pass to the Keys. Doc Keys, good position.
Gago yun.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Tama.
Ayun na, ako po sa may lagyan ng tubig.
16-13 in favor of Barangay Sapang. 1 minute and 12 seconds. De La Cruz, good position. 58 seconds. 55 seconds. Santiago, good position. 45 seconds. Change paper tayo, 40 seconds. Dali. Lopez, 20, 10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot.
Ficticio. Watching from Pasig City.
Dakis, good position. 18-17 in favor of Barangay Sapang, 22 seconds. Manila din. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Good pursuit. 8 seconds, no shot clock. 5 seconds. 5 seconds, no shot clock. 5 seconds.
Aaron ba yun? Aaron? Anak ni Risa, yun ang nakapo katabi natin siya.
Buzzer na lamang inyong maririnig.
Oh.
All jersey number 1. 3 segundo. Mr. Rasen, 21-18 in favor of Barangay Imelda.
Lorraine Joy and Rose Ann Santos. Shout out na Bumilcar de la Cruz. Solid yung coach ng kabila.
21-18 in favor of Barangay Imelda. Here comes King jersey number 10, Vasco Bueno. Bueno fires! Here comes Enriquez.
Yung colleague rin yung Mountain Dew.
Enriquez pass to Santiago. Santiago ngayon. Santiago Bedel. Santiago pass to Enriquez. Enriquez na lead. Forward pass to Kainti. Kainti, nagag. Santiago ulit.
Naiiba ba yung, di ba,
Here
nakalagay?
comes first number 7 of the keys.
Imelda sa pang nakalagay dyan eh.
Bakis pass to
Nababago ko yung kahit hindi
Kainti.
napatay.
Kainti pass to Bueno. Pass to the keys.
Nababago ko yung ilalagay, kunyari, Imelda sa pang. Pag kahit di ko napatay,
May
nababago.
ball tayo, call. Jersey number 17.
Kailangan patayin ko muna ulit.
Down all. 14 seconds to shoot. Here comes Cruz. Ball jersey number 11. Illegal run sa kontraan. 2 shots. Para jersey number 12. Cruz. Cruz personal foul. Jersey number 11. Second team foul. First throw pumasta. Ang pangalawa pumasok, 21-20 in favor of Barangay Imelda. Here comes Manyo.
Shout out daw kay Ivan Garcia. Sabi ni Coach JC.
Intercept by Guzman. Forward pass to Kainti. Nagad.
Si Coach.
Okay, it's an offensive foul.
Shout out.
Jersey number 15, offensive foul. First personal foul, jersey number 15. First team foul. Here comes Manyo. Manyo pass to Milan, back to Manyo. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Enriquez. Nagad. Here comes Bueno pass to Lakis. Lakis pass to Bruce. Nagad.
Ayaw niya. Natanong ko kung gusto niya.
De la Cruz pass to Manyo. Manyo pass to Enriquez. Out of bounds.
Asan? Lagi ka mo ron, yung lumalot. Aba, ano mo, kaputi. Oo, pumuti nga.
Here comes Kainti. Pass to Lakis to Kainti. Kainti na uli. Multi foul tayo.
Ayoko niyan. Hindi ako pwede.
Who's the left? Ball jersey number 2. Illegal run sa kontraan. 2 shots para kay jersey number 10. Kainti.
Nagtala ka ako, iniinom mo, puro malamig.
Hmm? Yung mic nakita mo ba?
First throw pumasok. Deadlock tayo, all 21. Ang mga na pumasok, change people. 22-21 in favor of Barangay Sapang.
Ping de Guzman, oh, salamat sa
Here
35
comes
star.
Manyo.
Nakapag-send si Paring Ping.
Santiago. Santiago pass to the first. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Bueno. Forward pass to Kainti. Kainti glazing up. Good pursuit.
Ayun, nasa na yung star.
Ping, salamat sa 35 star.
Ano ba yun?
Shout out kay Abigail de la Cruz. Shout out kay Ping de Guzman.
Here comes jersey number 17, Banyo. Banyo na huli. Forward pass to Kainti. Kainti pass to Bueno. Bueno! Good pursuit.
Nakapag-send si Paring Ping, oh. 35 star. Salamat.
Santiago. Intercept by Cruz. Forward pass to Kainti. Kainti.
Shout out kay Ryan Palyanan. Running for
Here
MVP.
comes Banyo. 1 minutes and 13 seconds. Banyo! Nadi.
Ryan Palyanan, running for MVP. Shout out.
Banyo pass to Santiago.
Doon ka sa harapan.
To Enriquez. Good pursuit.
Kaya harap ko na lang pala sa'yo.
Kainti pass to Cruz. Nadi. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa pares ng Barangay Men.
Sino kalaban ang pinanggago?
Putlod. Putlod saka pinanggaan bukas.
Banyo Leagues number 17.
Gandang laban yan.
14 seconds na shoot. De La Cruz.
Ano ba yung laban? Yun, mamaya.
Ang maganda.
Deadlock tayo on 26.
Bibigyan sa akin sa pagyari ng digay. Ni Ate Chen.
Arimping, salamat sa 35 star.
Here comes Cruz. Pass to this one.
Arimping, kapatid ni Pong.
Out of bounds. Corner. Barangay Mesa. Deadlock tayo on 26 time remaining. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Sumakay.
Sige na, baka gusto na si Tira, hindi na pa eh. James, second quarter na.
Ano sinasabi?
Deadlock tayo on 26.
Ha? Oo, bunso yan. Bunso ng lahat yan eh. Magulo.
Bibigyan natin kayo.
Here comes Manyo. Pass to Manyo. 14 seconds to shoot. Manyo pass sa gilid. 8 seconds to shoot.
Second quarter na to, James.
Intercept by the Ace. Pass to Kaindik. Kaindik pass to Bueno. Nagil. Debes man Nagil. Bueno.
Huwag yun.
Number 2.
Hindi pwede. Ay, namin ka doon.
28-26.
Hindi na natin 10.
De La Cruz.
Yan yung tubig, oh.
Pass to Manyo. Nagil.
Ano ba yung laban susunod yan?
Oo.
Ng lahat, Team Vice?
Sunod dito, team fight, saka lang na.
Pass to the Keys. The Keys pass. The Keys. Good for 2.
Wala na pala akong Mariago. Ayan.
Higang-higa.
Oh, 8 lang. Wala na akong baril.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bumili ka na lang doon.
Manyo.
Kanina.
Follow pass to Kaindik. Pass to Bueno.
Kailangan ka barya.
Nagil.
Wag yun.
De La Cruz pass. Nagil. Here comes the Keys. The Keys. Good for 2.
Magaling kumotong ah. Nakakong yung buong malandang. Babalik na lang daw yung suklat.
1 minute and 53
Kadami
seconds.
ng bagya, kadami itong bagya.
Kaya mo na.
Forward pass to the Keys. Nagil. Kaindik. Nagil.
Shout out kay Coach JC.
Here comes Banyo, pass to Banyo. Banyo, Nagil. Kaindik Nagil.
King De Guzman, salamat sa 35 star.
Good for 2.
Nadali mo rin.
Tama. Barangay Sabang.
Ano ba yun? Nadigas ba yun na sa
32.
Hindi kas nakakonect yan.
28. In favor of Barangay Sabang. Power basketball game. 32-28 in favor of Barangay Sabang. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Here comes the case. Pass to 18 in the middle. Here comes Manyo, jersey number 23. Pass to Manyo. Back to Manyo. Forward pass the case. 55 seconds. The case pass to the case. Good for two.
Kapatid yan.
Tama! Barangay Imelda. 28 in favor of Barangay Sabang. 52 seconds. $52 seconds.
King De Guzman, salamat sa 35 stars.
Here comes Manyo, press to Manyo. Manyo! 44 seconds. The crease, good for two. 35 seconds. Manyo fires, ready.
Muntik na yun.
Forward pass to 20. 20, good for two. 24 seconds, no shot clock. 20 seconds, no shot clock. 15 seconds, no shot clock. Ready, 10 seconds. Good for two. 5 seconds.
Next game, Team Vice, saka Langlang.
And of the second period division score natin, 40-28 in favor of Barangay Sabang.
Nunod si Panye. Philip,
Basketball game.
Eboy,
Bola ng Barangay Imelda, James Scott. Jersey number 15, pagkakin ng jersey na maayos.
Parimping, nag-send ng 35 stars. Salamat.
Okay.
Ano? Tira.
Here comes Lopez. Lopez ngayon, pass to Bueno. Bueno na rin. Forward pass to base number 17. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Good for two.
No bearing game ba yan? Di ba nag-abol ng mga panalo to? Bakit? Ayaw ko ano na. Ay, seryosohin na. Tamlay. Mamaya na tamlay. Pag panay yun lamang na. Ano?
Here comes Katie. Good for two. Kaya Kevin, patakin. Patakin. Thank you. Here comes Manyo. Pass to juice number 17. Manyo.
Hoy, biyak.
Ball juice number 15. Sabret. Bueno out. 7 personal foul juice number 17.
Bukas, laban. Putlod, saka pinanggaan. Kasunod na ito, Panye. Parin Panye, kuhan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Team by, saka langla.
Down to 5. Ayun, wala. Nadugo-dugo.
Bukas, maganda rin laban. Putlod versus pinanggaan.
Here comes Katie. Juice number 10. Katie ngayon. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Katie. 10 seconds to shoot. Good. Lopez, good. Lopez, good. Santiago pass to Enriquez, intercept by jersey number 1. Forward pass to Dakis. Dakis pass to Kay. Good for two. Kay Tik to Kay. Good for two. 44-30. Substitution, goes out. Dakis in.
Tatamaan na ng boy.
Hindi, nung pagkakayo ko ngayon, sa kanya ako nakatingin.
Takot sa akin ang sapok ko.
Here comes Dakis Mars.
Belt 5.
Here comes Manyo. Manyo ngayon. May sumabot na foul. Loose ball left. Foul jersey number 1. Pushing foul. 2 shots. 7 personal foul jersey number 1.
yan.
First throw pumasok. Ang pakalulugin. Here comes choice number 1, Lopez. Lopez ngayon. Lopez pass to Dakis. Dakis. Good for two. Five minutes and 30 seconds.
Tamlay nga, pero alam ko, maghahabol doon ng panalo eh.
Here goes Santiago. Santiago fires. Three. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. 20. Good for two. Ay, mahapol. Major Bernansay.
Alay.
Yun pala yun. Gilas niya na
14 seconds to shoot. Good for two.
Napakasipag. Magaling din.
Here comes Lopez. Lopez.
Bigla na ya. Tumatay si Balignasay.
Out of bounds. Tara! Barangay Merda. 51-36 in favor of Barangay Sabang.
Darating lang ni Balignasa.
Yan na. Sabi ko kahawig ni RJ yan. Kakapangalan din ni RJ.
Balignasa. RJ na ano.
Here comes Balignasay.
Kahawig ako kay Alvin.
Santiago, 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago pass to the cross. Intercept by his number 13, Kaintik. Kaintik ngayon. Kaintik pa din. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Lopez. Lopez! Ball jersey number 11. Hit into the arms. Second personal foul. Jersey number 11. First team foul. First row pumasok. 52-36 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Ako naman na rin. Entering too soon.
Darating lang ni Balignasa. Nakapapasok.
4 minutes and 20 seconds. Belakowski ang pass ni Santiago. Santiago pass!
Sumigla na sila. Dumating na yung kalakap nila eh.
54-39. 4 minutes exactly. Kaintik pass! Kaintik pass to the Ace. Goal for 2.
At mag-receive.
De La Cruz!
Ayos yun ah.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. 54-42. Dakis again. Here comes jersey number 21, De La Cruz. Here comes jersey number 1, Lopez. Lopez!
Walang nabanggaan.
Yes, bakit na ball para kay jersey number
Pag nasa
11.
out of balance.
6.
Kasi natakuan mo sa akin.
Iba naman pag ano na.
First personal foul, jersey number 6. 17.
Dinahin ko ko.
Matamis yung palaman yung tinapos.
First row pumasok. Seventh row pumasok. 56-42. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Here comes the Kings. Dakis ngayon. Dakis pa rin. Dakis. Good for 2.
Eh, hang time na.
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh.
Here comes the Kings. Pass the Kings. Dakis pass. To Kaintik. Kaintik pass the Kings. To the Kaintik. To Lopez. Good for 2. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Two minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh,
Kainti! Good pursuit.
nakakalito eh.
Here comes Malinasa. Good pursuit. 2 minutes exactly. 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Wala ka,
De La Cruz to Malinasa. Good pursuit. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Lingete, no?
That is Naged. 62-46. In favor of Barangay Sabang. Malinasa ay Naged. Dan double!
galing.
Lopez! Good pursuit. 1 minute and 14 seconds.
Wala. Ang the score?
64-49, 1 minute and 13 seconds.
440.
Madami ni mga nanonood.
1 minute and 10 seconds. The Keys, good pursuit.
Ah,
1 minute exactly. Bagay. Lopez. Bagay. 53 seconds. Okay, may ball tayo sa left. Ball jersey number 1. Third personal ball jersey number 1. First row pumasok. Ang bola pumasok, 49 seconds. Seconds.
ayan naka.
Lagin.
Ayan o.
34 seconds. 30 seconds. 27 seconds.
Kasama naman nagluluto.
Lopez. Good pursuit. 23 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 23 seconds.
Uy,
Kainting, 10 seconds to shoot. No good. The Keys, good for 2. 15 seconds, no shot clock. 10 seconds, good for 2. 5 seconds. Who's for the foul? Jersey number 6. Second personal foul. 13 foul, 3.5 seconds.
kabatch pala ni Nico.
Nika.
Number 10 ka rin. Kaya pa yan.
And at the third period, the official score natin, 70-52. In favor of Barangay Sabang. Sige, Bola ng Barangay Sabang. Fourth quarter na po tayo mga kaibigan.
Medyo nanonood, gising na.
Ay, nagkapa-jigas pa na yan.
Ha?
Next game po natin, Team Vice versus Barangay ng La. Tiyak na po kayo. Painting Vice na good. Here comes Dakis. Dakis na good. Banda na good. Painting Vice, Dakis. Good for two.
Ayun, nahuli.
72-53. Banda na good.
Yun.
Balik na sa good. Tinapos na good. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for two. Here comes Dakis. Good for two. Ate ka, ma-interview ka mamaya. Balik na sa ipas naman nyo. Lugin. Time out. Barangay Sabang. Barangay Sabang. 74-55 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Focus right now. Dakis pass to Dakis. May sumabit. Foul jersey number 2. 7% foul jersey number 2. First team foul. First row pumasok, 75-55. In favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes Baliknasay. Baliknasay ngayon may sumabit. First foul right, foul jersey number 19. Blocking foul, 2 shots. First personal foul, jersey number 19. First team foul, Barangay Sabang. First row pumasok. Ang pangalawa pumasok. Here comes Kaintik. Kaintik ngayon. Kaintik pa din. Kaintik racing up agad. Here comes Banyo.
Ayan.
Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa balik ng Barangay Sabang. When a pass, Dakis. Dakis fires. Again. Dakis. Good for two. Nasay, David. One na huli, here comes Bueno. Bueno, good for two. Seven minutes and 20 seconds.
Oy.
One na David. Here comes the race. David. Six minutes and 55 seconds. Bano, good for two. $79.59, Douglas Man, good for two. Here comes Kentik. To Buena pass to the case. To Kentik. Pass to Douglas Man, good. Buena pass to Kentik, good for two. Mano, good for two. 83-61 in favor of Barangay Sapang. Next game po natin, Team Vice versus Barangay Langla. Punta na po kayo dito. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Mario, good. Dati sinagay ito. Balik nasa Gabi. Damis, good person. Painting na yun. Pass to the Bismarck David. Ten seconds to shoot. Here comes Manya. Ball goes number 13. Sulit personal foul. Time out! Barangay Sabang. $85-61 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes Baliknasan. Baliknasan ito, Enriquez, good for two. Yan si number 11, Santiago, patakin daw po. Good for two. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Baliknasan David. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. The Keys, good for two. 4 minutes and 20
Lamang yung
seconds.
Barangay Sapang. Marami na, nasa
4 minutes exactly.
4 minutes na lang.
Santiago pass na good. Here comes Reyna, pass to the keys. Ayun. Three minutes and 45 seconds. Enriquez to Santiago. Santiago fires. Ready. Here comes jersey number 17, Manyo. Manyo!
Ihi ako na.
3 minutes and 18 seconds. Santiago. Magid. Manyo. Well pursued.
Oo. Eh.
Here comes the keys. 20 to the keys. Good pursuit. 3 minutes exactly. Enriquez. Good pursuit. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Kainti. Good pursuit. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. $93.67. 10 seconds to shoot. Two minutes and 15 seconds. The keys will pursue. Look at it. Last 2 minutes. Pwede na, pasok pa lang. Para matagal.
Boss.
One minute and 55 seconds. Pasok, Chuk. Giri mo.
Lamang na,
1 minute and 50 seconds.
mga 20 yata yung lamang ah.
Ay, patay mo yan, sibay lang. Good pursuit.
Kahit February, March, April, May.
Yung right mo. Good. 129 seconds. Gagin. Good pursuit. 120 seconds.
Lamang isa pang.
Bakis. Good pursuit. One minute and 8 seconds. Isang pass na good. Sabah. Labit mo. 46 seconds. Good pursuit. 40 seconds. Get you,